So today I'm going to talk about a website called newmodi.com. They have SVGs, PNGs, PDF, JPEG. Anyway, they have a bunch of cool stuff. So I'm just going to pick one to make for an ornament. So yeah, you should definitely check them out. They have a lot of cool Christmassy things. They also have popular ones. They have some Halloween ones. Basically a bunch of fun stuff. T-shirt ideas, cup ideas. I'm going to use Jack Skellington because I just think he's so cute as a Santa. They're also reasonably priced. I didn't see any over $5, which I feel like is a good deal, especially since they do all the work for you, the layers, the colors. Pretty awesome. So after I bought my SVG, it directed me to download it. So I saved it on my desktop. So I'm just going to go in and click the SVG and put it in Cricut design space. And as you see, the background's all, erased for me and the layers are there. So now I can just go in and cut out each color as I go. I measured my ornament. I'm going to do the measurements. I think it's about 2 by 3.5, something like that. Close to 3.5. So just measure whatever ornament you're using to make sure that it will fit. So first I'm going to go and I'm going to hide everything but the black. And then you can just push the little eyes off to the side. And so as you see, the mat's black, so that's letting me know, hey, you're cutting out the black. So yeah, now I'm going to go and cut that out. You also want to look at your base material depending on what your vinyl or whatever you're using. Mine's a permanent vinyl, so it's a bit thicker, so I'm going to use, a bit of a heavier setting. You can also go in and customize it. Now I'm going to do the same for the red layer. I'm just going to make it visible by clicking the eye and then clicking the other two eyes, making the black and the white invisible. So it's just cutting out the red right now. So the hat. And now I'm going to cut out the white layer, so I'm just going to make it visible by clicking the eye, making sure the line's not through it, and the other two, make sure the line's through them, so it's only going to cut the white part. I have polyurethane finish in a squeeze bottle. It's like a condiment bottle. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in there, kind of swirl it around, and then I'm gonna take the cap off of the bottle and then just let it sit in there and drain for a minute, because you don't want too much of that liquid. You just need a little bit. And then once it's, nice and drained, you can just put your glitter in there. Today I'm using a bigger glitter of green, and I actually love how big it is, and it just makes it even more sparkly. So once I have that in there, I'm just going to put something over the top and just shake it around until it's fully covered. Now I'm just going to go weed or take out the excess vinyl of all my different colors to get them ready to be layered. Now that they're all layered, I can go in and use a transfer paper and just layer all the different colors. So first I'm going to start with white, put that on top of the red, and then I'll put the red and the white on top of the black. And I'm also making sure there's little spaces for the black outline to show through. Now I can put Jack Skellington onto my ornament. So I just peel it off the backing, and now I'm just going to make sure it's nice and smooth, line it up in the middle. I like to use my finger and the little scraper tool just to make sure it's nice and flat and even. If you get little bubbles, once you take the transfer tape off, you can kind of just scrape it out to make it look nice and even. Now for the Mod Podge, I'm just going to put a little thin layer over it, again just so it'll stay longer and hopefully not peel and last until, years to come. Yay, Jack Skellington Santa! He's so cute.